Do you often find yourself saying very this or very that? Don't worry, you are not alone. But what if I told you there are more vibrant and descriptive words you can use instead? Today we will explore unique alternatives to very that will elevate your English. So let's get started. First up, instead of saying very good, try saying excellent. For example, the movie was excellent. See how much more impactful that sounds? Next, we have very cold. So instead of saying very cold, you can say freezing. So, for example, it's very cold outside. You would say it's freezing outside. It paints a stronger picture, doesn't it? What about very tired? Replace it with exhausted. For example, I'm exhausted after the workout. If something is very big, you can say it's enormous. Imagine saying the elephant was enormous. It's so much more vivid. For very beautiful, use the word stunning. Try this. The sunset was stunning. It's a word that truly captures beauty. Instead of saying very smart, say brilliant. For example, she is a brilliant student. Let's replace very happy with elated. For instance, I was elated to hear the good news. Doesn't that sound more expressive? Instead of saying very angry, say furious. For example, he was furious about the delay. It's a powerful way to convey strong emotions. For very small, use the word tiny. For instance, the kitten was tiny and adorable. It's short and sweet. For very fast, you can say rapid. For example, the response was rapid and effective. This adds a professional touch. And for very hungry, say starving. For example, after the hike, we were starving. It's a relatable and expressive choice. Using these alternatives will not only make your language more colorful, but it will also help you express yourself more precisely. Which one is your favorite? Or do you have any other unique replacements of very? Let me know in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed this video and you want more video related to English or IELTS, remember to like, share and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.